It is sometimes said that Newton was born the year that Galileo died, and so carried on the torch of scientific discovery. This, however, is a bit of a cheat. Galileo died on the 8th of January, 1642, and Newton was born on Christmas Day that year. But Galileo's date was in the modern Gregorian calendar, while Newton's was in the old Julian calendar, and was the 4th of January, 1643, in modern terms. I was born on the 8th of January, 1942, almost 300 years after Newton, and I have amused myself by comparing my career to his 300 years before. I started earlier than he did, going to Oxford in 1959, while he did not go to Cambridge until 1661. I also graduated earlier, 1962, as against 1665. I became a Fellow of King's College in 1965, and Newton, a Fellow of Trinity, in 1667. But in almost everything else, Newton was ahead of me. He became Lucasian Professor in 1669, whereas I didn't until 1979. For Newton, the great benefit of being Lucasian Professor was that the terms for the post required that the holder should not be active in the church. Newton successfully argued that it relieved him of the usual obligation of fellows at that time to be ordained as an Anglican priest. This was fortunate, because Newton was secretly a Unitarian and did not believe in the Trinity, a bad heresy for a Fellow of Trinity. He became a Member of Parliament for the University of Cambridge in 1689, but his only contribution to the business was to complain of a draught and ask for the window to be closed. I am glad I didn't try to be an MP. Newton gave up the Lucasian Chair in 1702 to concentrate on his duties as Master of the Royal Mint. During his time as Lucasian Professor, he made great advances in our understanding of the universe and the laws that govern it. As the poet Alexander Pope said, "Nature and nature's laws lay hid in night." God said, "Let Newton be," and all was light. Thank you for listening.